You know, it is no secret that Google dominates local search. And for retailers to be found in a local Google search, optimizing and participating with your Google Business Profile page is an absolute must. Now in this video, I would like to give you several of the top tips for maximizing your Google Business Profile page. And the very first thing that you are going to need to do after you claim and verify your page is to click on that Edit Profile button and make sure all of your content and your information is complete. You know, local search results favor the most up-to-date content that is relevant for what its users are searching for. And if you are providing complete, detailed, and up-to-date information, you are going to be a lot easier to be found in a local search. So if Google is asking you to fill out a particular section, take the time to fill it out. Now next, you should start including search keywords in your description. Now when I recorded this video, Google was allowing 750 words to be added to the description. Now most companies fall way short of hitting this maximum limit. So take the time to include keywords and the phrases that are specific to your business and weave those keywords right into your description. Now just a word of caution on this one. Do not keyword stuff. Now what do I mean by that? It's just listing those keywords line after line. You need to incorporate those keywords into the content so it flows like a story, not just list out all those keywords and hope for the best, because I guarantee that won't work. Now, one guaranteed way to earn a really poor review is to not have your hours accurate. So my tip is really simple. Keep your business hours accurate and up to date. You know, consumers are unforgiving, and if your profile says that you're open, you better be open. And just as an FYI, Google offers you the ability to customize all your hours for holidays or other special events, and you can schedule out these hours well in advance. Now for some fun stuff. Adding photos and videos, and lots of them. You know, we live in a visually oriented society, and having lots of photos and lots of videos on your profile will help you a lot more than you think. You know, the very first place a potential customer is going to go once they land on your profile page is they are going to check out the pictures and the videos. Profile pages that have a lot of up-to-date photos and videos receive 35% more click-throughs to their websites and 42% more requests for driving directions. 30% more click-through rates, all just for adding a couple pictures and some video content. I'd say you should do that. But now for some not so fun stuff. You are going to have to respond to your customer reviews, especially the bad ones. You know, interacting with customers by responding to their reviews illustrates to everyone that your business values your customers and the feedback that they are giving you. Now, both current and future customers are paying a lot of attention to reviews and how you are responding to them. And when it comes to a negative review, people are watching really closely to see what you are doing to fix a customer's problem. Now, if you feel that it's a fake or a spam review, go ahead, hit that flag, report it to Google, and just maybe it will disappear. But now my next tip, you need to start making regular and consistent posts. You know, Google lives off fresh, current, relevant content. And the post feature is where you will feed this content. You can publish offers, events, products, services, sales events, and have them show up right on your profile page. These posts let you actively engage with your audience, and it'll help keep your presence fresh on Google. Now, by regularly participating and updating your Google Business Profile page, you will make your store stand out and a lot easier to be found online while people are searching for you, and you'll be generating high quality traffic and potential customers and sending them over to your website. And now I will just wrap it up with this. You know, many consumers will make their decision on where to shop based entirely off your Google Business Profile page. Well, my advice, get involved, keep your page up to date, and get found on Google, and you can do it for free.